Hi friends, welcome to Quality Thought. So this is Anji, Master Trainer, Chief Placement Officer. So recently Quality Thought conducted drive at Sutisoft company. So for this drive, so Nudranarayan got selected in the Sutisoft as a Java developer. First of all, congratulations Nudranarayan.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So you got two offers, right?
Yes, sir.
So Sutisoft offer and
Janadi.
Janardi.
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
you got two offers, Janardi company and
So this
Sutisoft. So how do you feel?
today really I felt very happy, and because I got selected in Sutisoft Private Limited. Whatever place I want to be, finally I achieved that one. So I am
Hmm.
very happy.
So now your goal is fulfilled.
Yes, sir.
So your dream comes to true.
Yes, sir.
Okay, excellent. So Janardi Sutisoft. So which company you are going to join?
I'm going to join Sutisoft Private Limited.
Sutisoft. So you are
Yes.
preferring for Sutisoft.
Yes.
What is the package?
It will be 3 lakhs per annum.
3 lakhs per annum.
Yes, sir.
Okay, excellent. When did you get this offer letter?
I got the offer letter yesterday.
Yesterday.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yesterday the date
It was
8th.
8th January
Hmm.
at the evening. I got the offer letter.
So 8th January.
Yes,
So this is a memorable day in your life.
yes,
So
sir.
you got the offer on 8th January.
Yes, sir.
Okay, excellent. So just see your journey. So can you tell me about where are you from and what would be your education qualification?
Basically, I belongs to Odisha.
Mm-hmm.
After completing my MCA, one of my friend referred me this institute. So I
Mm.
came here and joined a full stack Java course.
Mm. You are from Odisha.
Basically, I am from Kendrapada district. My village
Mm.
name is Oranga Malikeshwarpur.
Okay.
Yes, I have completed my schooling, intermediate and graduation from there only.
Mm-hmm.
And then I have completed my MCA in Bhubaneswar. After
Mm.
that, I came here for
MCA, Bhubaneswar.
yes.
So what is your college name?
It was Gandhi Institute for Technology.
Gandhi Institute of Technology.
Yes.
Very good. So any placement rise happened or any campus placements or did you attend any interviews during that time?
Yes, I also got selected in HCL
Hmm.
during my college time because
Hmm.
the onboarding was not done by company, so
Okay.
that I need to wait for some time in that company. But it the onboarding not came,
Hmm.
so that I prefer to do a full stack Java course in Hyderabad.
Okay. So onboarding is not done.
Yes,
So you want to learn in course and you have chosen Java full stack.
yes.
Okay. Then who do you refer this quality thought?
One of my friend
Hmm.
referred me this institute,
Mm-hmm.
so that I came here and joined the course, attended the demos, and I really felt the sessions are very enjoyable, very interacting.
Hmm.
And Mr. Niyaz sir was my instructor,
Okay.
and I have learned like many more things from him. His teaching style is very much different.
Hmm.
So
So let's see your technical skills. Java full stack.
yes,
So your trainer Niyaz sir.
yes,
The Niyaz sir teaches very well.
yes.
Okay. So what do you say about Niyaz sir?
Niyas sir is like a very much exceptional trainer in Java full stack,
Mm-hmm.
and his sessions are very much enjoyable. Like he just break down a complex concept into a simpler way that everyone could understood,
Mm-hmm.
and his teaching style is like extraordinary,
Mm.
and he treats everyone like friends, and not only he is the trainer and other one are the students.
Mm.
He also meeting us with like friendly,
Mm.
and
Very good. See, always be like a friend whenever you have
yes,
getting questions.
he also
All questions.
guide
Okay.
us and supports us like for
Mm.
getting a job,
Okay.
and
Let's come to the technical part. In Java, the core Java concepts are there,
yes.
advanced Java concepts are there. So when did you join and what are the concepts you learned here?
In the core Java, I have learned like multi-threading, exception handling,
Mm.
collections, Java 8 features, and all
Mm.
the basic fundamental things of the Java.
Mm-hmm.
In the advanced Java, I learned like JDBC, Servlet, JSP,
Mm.
and I have also learned Spring and Spring Boot framework of Java. Coming to the
Okay.
front end part, I have
Mm.
learned HTML, CSS, and JavaScript,
Mm.
and Bootstrap and React also. And I have
So it's
learned
complete Java full stack.
yes, database is also there.
Mm.
Oracle is there.
Oracle database.
Yes,
So in the front end React JS, back end complete Java programming,
Yes.
and database Oracle.
Yes.
Excellent. So complete full stack. Okay. So apart from technical skills, what are the skills given by Quality Thought?
Yes, Quality Thought also provides to build the skills in aptitude, communication.
Aptitude,
Yes.
communication. Okay. So who is your aptitude trainer and who is your communication trainer?
Mr. Venkatesh sir was my aptitude trainer,
Okay.
and Miss Babita was my communication trainer.
Okay. So then what do you say?
And I would like to give special thanks because their teaching methods really affects in my teaching style.
Hmm.
I also learned very much a simply way to understand many more things,
Hmm.
and I have learned many more things from him. And communication, how to communicate, whatever things we have to tell in what way. So
Hmm. So in Quality Thought, not only technical skills, programming skills, here we can also learn communication as well as aptitude. That means what are the skills required to get the job in IT sector? All skills are provided in Quality Thought. So friends, if you are looking for software training and placements, then you can join in Quality Thought and choose your suitable course. Then definitely you will fulfill your dream. Definitely you will reach your goal. Okay. So your technical communication skills, everything good. Then coming
yes,
to the placements. So who is your placement officer?
Mr. Prasad was my placement officer.
Prasad sir.
Yes,
So do you interact with Prasad sir regularly?
yes, sir.
Okay. So how many drives are conducted?
I have attended two drives.
Two drives.
Yes.
Hmm.
Luckily, I got selected in two drives also.
Both the drives you got selected.
Yes.
Very good.
And I have two offer letters, but I preferred Sutisoft Private Limited. to join.
Sutisoft. Let's see what are the drives, what are the rounds conducted in Sutisoft.
There were 5 rounds connected.
5 rounds.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
The first one will be the written test,
Mhm.
and second and third round will be the technical round, and fourth round will be the CTO round,
Hmm.
and fifth round will be the HR and managerial round.
HR and manager. So overall 5 rounds.
Yes.
So first one written test.
Yes.
You cleared.
Yes.
Then technical. Then CTO round.
Yes.
Okay, let's talk about the CTO round. So what are the questions asked during CTO round?
Yes, it was Ben, the Chief Technology Officer of Sutisoft in
Chief
America.
Technology Officer from Sutisoft. Very good. Hmm.
He has took my interview, and
Okay.
he asked many more questions from the Java concept, front-end concepts, and he also looking for a better communication.
Hmm.
So from all of this, he asked questions.
Hmm. Very good. Excellent. So you got 2 offers and you are going to join in the Sutisoft.
Yes.
So what do you say to your placement officer?
I would like to give my heartily thanks to my placement team, my instructor Mr. Niaz sir, and the institute for giving me this opportunity so that I can fulfill my dream. And I would like to give many more thank yous to you.
Okay, good. Thank you. So even so, it's not only quality the credit. So it depends on your hard work, dedication also. So because of your hard work and your dedication, you focus towards these skills. You are really improving the skills. So that is the reason now you got 2 offers.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
So because of your efforts.
Yes.
So friends, if you want get job in software sector, so you have to improve your skills. You have to be dedicated. You have to be focused. First, set the goal. So my goal is to get the job in software industry within 6 months. Then plan that. Then improve the skills. So like Rudra Narayan also, if you improve your skills, easily you can get the offers. See, Rudra Narayan has attended 2 drives and he got offers in both the drives. Okay.
Yes.
So one last thing, you are in this stage. So finally your dream is fulfilled. So for this, the credit goes to your family members, right?
Yes, definitely.
So then tell me about your family members, how your mother and father supported to you,
My father and mother always supported me to do something.
what they are doing just.
And my father is a farmer, and my mother is a homemaker.
Okay.
And he always pushed me to like read and study. Then I don't have any words to explain their hard work they have done for me, but I just say thank you so much. This I know this is not sufficient for them, but I really felt very happy. And I would
Tell
like
them directly, say your mother name and father name and tell them directly.
my father is Mr. Umakant Parida, and my mother is Miss Manjula Parida. and many more thank you, and I just love you the most, and like I am here only for you people, and you really understood my efforts, and you just pushed me to do something whatever I want, and finally today I got that one, and thank you.
Okay. So one last question. So when will be your joining date?
Joining date will be 15 January.
15th.
Yes,
Okay. So after first month salary,
yes.
so what you do?
I don't have any specific plan to do with my first month salary, but I want to do something to my parents.
To parents.
Yes.
Very good. Excellent. Okay. So and what you want to say the persons who are looking for software sector. So what is your suggestions to all the audience who are looking for software job?
Okay, are you looking for like software role? So you can join the Quality Thought Institute. This is a very good institute. Like the teaching styles are very much different. You can learn here, and you are also getting placement support from here only. If you work hard, learn properly, then you will get this job also. So I just highly recommend this institute to join. If you are interested in software, then you can join. All the best to you.
Okay. So friends, if you are looking for a software training and placements, then join in Quality Thought. Just put your efforts, then try to improve the skills. Then definitely you will get the better opportunity in software sector. So all the best for all your bright futures in IT industry. Okay. So once again, congratulations, Udnarayan.
Thank you so much, sir.
So finally you got 2 offers. Very good. So all the best for your future.
Thank you so much.
Okay.